I don't think I've ever been this excited about doing an unboxing. In this box is my RED Komodo. I have waited months for this camera and it's finally arrived. They are so hard to get hold of at the moment. Even just the accessories from third-party companies are really hard to get hold of. I've had to order products from all around the world for this camera, basically. Like the small HD control cable, couldn't get one for 6 weeks. So I've ordered it from Australia. It's just insane how popular this camera is. So I thought I'd do an unboxing and give you guys a genuine reaction of me with the RED Komodo, because I've seen pictures and I've seen a lot of videos on the RED Komodo, but I've never actually seen one in real physical form. Some people say it's small, some people say it's not that small, and so on. So I'm stuttering a little bit because I'm excited. I am insanely excited about opening this. Now, this is the first RED that I've ever owned. I've used RED before, and I love the R3D files, the raw files from RED. I was going to purchase an 8K helium. That was at the beginning of the year, and that kind of changed, obviously, with 2020 being the way it is. And then the rumors came out about the Komodo. So I purchased the Komodo, and it's in this box. So I'm going to do an unboxing and give you a genuine reaction with this camera. So I'm going to put the box down on the stool and then take everything out of the box, because if I sit here and empty this box, you won't see me. So I ordered the Komodo starter kit. It basically comes with everything you need to get started. You just add batteries if you want to be portable, because there is a power supply with it, and obviously you need a lens. Now, this is an RF mount, so it's Canon's mirrorless mount, but it also comes with an adapter so I can put EF lenses on it. But I'm actually recording on the C70 at the moment, and that camera up there is the R5, and the R6 is up there. I'm trying to do everything. I'm trying to cover every single angle. Right, okay. Well, that's not exactly the RED Komodo I was expecting. Just joking. Right, put it over there. I love the fact that RED use paper, not bubble wrap. That's being very smart, environmentally friendly. Thank you, RED. There's a box within a box. Anything else in there? No, don't need that. Right, there's another box. I had no idea there was another box in there. Okay. Man, RED like their paper, don't they? Right. We've got some cables. Now, there's a time code cable. We'll get to that in another video. There is a power to DTAP cable. It actually looks really good quality, actually. Again, all these accessories I will do in another video. I just want to do the unboxing and give you guys my first reaction. So it comes with a 512 gig CFast 2.0 memory card. Now, these are actually made by Angelbird for RED. And that's the nice thing about the Komodo, is you don't have to buy the RED mags and all the other expensive accessories that RED make. Not saying there's anything wrong with that. They make really, really good products. But this makes it more consumer friendly, and it makes it cheaper for people to get started into the RED system. And you've also got a CFast 2.0 memory card reader, which comes with the starter kit. There's a handle. Now, I've already got one of these because I actually do have some RED Komodo products already. So this is a side handle, which I will be fitting to the Komodo, because I do have the outrigger handle as well, which is in a box there, which I ordered separately. So I have an outrigger handle as well, but this will go on the other side. Again, we'll cover all this when I actually do a review on the products. So also in the kit, you get a RF to EF adapter. Now, this is a special one because it has a variable ND built into it. Very, very handy, especially if you're using EF lenses. You can put them on the front, and your ND is between the camera and the back of the lens. We'll be doing a review on this product because I think a lot of people kind of miss this with the Canon R system and now with the Komodo system. You have built in, see, an ND in there. I actually added it up. You're actually getting a really good deal if you buy the starter kit with all these accessories, because this little adapter here, you can't get in New Zealand. This is the RED Komodo. So I'm guessing it slides out. Now the box, if I can show you, see the box has this scale effect on it. It's actually a really nice box. Okay. So the moment of truth. This is the first time I'm actually physically going to see a RED Komodo. I know I sound really excited, but I can't wait to unbox this camera. Okay, ready? Wow, that is actually small. Okay, let's take the camera out first, shall we? Wow. Okay, let me just put that out the way a minute. That is a 6K RED cinema camera. It's quite light too. I mean, you put the batteries on, it's get quite heavy, but wow, that is so, it feels solid. Honestly, that is, wow. Okay, sorry. That is insane. So what else you get in the box? You get a RED sticker. You get launch sequence card, and it tells you to download the apps on there. Now, this does actually have a really good app. Again, I will cover that in another video. It comes with another adapter. So this is a RF to EF adapter standard. Wow, I didn't actually think it came with that. I've got so much stuff on that side now that's come out of these boxes. Right, what else you got? You got a red power brick, which is actually does feel really good quality. It's very small as well. And it looks like it's got quite a long cable on that as well. So you can actually plug the RED Komodo directly into the mains and run it from the mains. And you can also charge the batteries that go in the back here. So this takes BP, I think it's 955 and 975. Now I have the 975s here. Can't get 955s in this country, but I have seen some videos saying that the 925s work, but you can't get anywhere. Now the strange part is, these are the old batteries. Canon have now gone over to something that's in the C70, which is the BPA30 or BPA60. These are quite hard to find, but there's a few places in New Zealand. So if you're interested in buying these batteries, the 975s, you can find them available in New Zealand. There's a few places that still have them in stock. So you've got this really cool, like travel adapter. Okay, so, oh, okay. So obviously you got a British plug there. You got America, Taiwan, I don't know what else it's got, but yeah, travel plug. That's quite nice. So that there is a Super 35 6K sensor. It's slightly wider, that I've been told, than other sensors. So obviously you got CFast 2.0 memory card slot. You have a microphone jack, a headphone jack. You've got a CFast indicator light. You've got the power switch on the side, and you've got the record button. Now, why did I buy a RED Komodo? Basically for the RAW features. The R3D files on the RED are like nothing else. They're as easy to edit as a RAW photo, but the quality is just something very special about RED's RAW files. You either love it or hate it. And personally, I love the look of the video files that come out of this camera and what you can do with the R3D files. If you've ever shot with a Canon R5 in 8K and put that file into your computer, you know it just stops your computer basically. I have a top of the range MacBook Pro 16-inch, spec'd out with everything, and it can't handle Canon 8K RAW. I know it can handle 8K RED RAW R3D files because I've used it on there and I've edited it, and it is so easy to edit. And that's the reason why I got the Komodo. This will start me hopefully on a journey with more RED cameras, but this is a good entry-level camera. I wouldn't say it's affordable because it's 7,000 something US dollars, but it's the cheapest RED you can get. If you've ever wanted to get into the RED ecosystem, this is the camera to get. So this was just a quick video unboxing the RED Komodo, giving you my genuine reaction of seeing this camera for the first time. And this is a beautiful camera and it feels really, really solid. RED have done something very, very special here. Now, the next video, which will be out in a couple of days, will be some of the accessories that I've actually got for this camera and how I rig it out. And there'll be some test footage as well for you to see. And then again, there'll be some more videos coming out in a few more days after that on the RED Komodo and other products that I have for the RED Komodo to review. Now, if there's anything you want me to test with the RED Komodo, let me know down in the comment section and I will do my best to include that in future videos. As always, thank you so much for watching.